Welcome,
Hey everybody, welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show.
and sponsored by
The Auto Shop.
Yay! I love that place.
To schedule an appointment, please call 972-578-0588.
Or you can go online at www.theautoshop.com.
And you can schedule an appointment there. So,
Right at the top of the page.
yeah.
And the middle of the page. Probably
And
at the bottom
and
too.
about the bottom too, yeah. Hey, I have a question for you.
Yeah?
Okay, so let's
Is it a
talk-
car question?
Yes, it's a car
Okay.
question. We're going to talk about dashboard lights today.
Oh,
Dashboard lights.
nice.
Okay, so here's my question. My question is, what is the most common light to come on that would cause somebody to, really be in trouble, to cause an issue?
Low fuel. You run out of gas, car stops. That's an issue.
I was thinking of, like, the reason to bring the car into the shop.
Oh, I still like low fuel.
I don't like low fuel at all.
How about doors ajar?
Or trunk is
Trunk
open.
is open.
I was thinking, okay, let me be more specific. Okay, other than the check engine light,
Oh, that's a
or
bad
the
one too.
change your oil, that one isn't maybe as common. You don't want those to be on.
Service engine soon. That's another one.
Yeah, service engine soon.
Yeah.
What's another one?
Tire pressure.
The tire pressure light.
Yeah, it has a little funny symbol on it. Looks kind of like that. About like that. Or some
Or
cars.
it could look like one of those.
Well, the one on the top is the same as this one, just not as bright.
Like how we feel sometimes. Some days we feel really bright. Some days we don't.
No, this one's just a little low. This one's really low. No,
Okay.
it doesn't really work that
So
way, folks.
what does this light actually indicate, Jerry? What does it mean?
It tells you that you have a problem in the air pressure of your tires. It could be too much or it could be too little. And the issue that you run into with that is if you have too much air pressure,
Can your tire explode?
it can, sure. But usually what happens is if you have too much air pressure, the center portion of the tire will wear unevenly. It will wear out before the edges will. Too little air pressure and the edges will wear out because there's not enough air pressure to maintain contact with the road with the center part of the tire. The other problem that you run into with low air pressure is it will destroy the sidewall of the tire and cause the tire to blow out, literally blow out from the side. So that's a big deal. Okay? And so when you have, some cars will tell you which tire it is. It could be left front or right front, left rear or right rear. And some just leave it to your imagination. You have to bring it in and we actually have to test it.
Okay, so this what is this thing called in the car?
Tire pressure monitor. So this
is also called the TPMS sensor.
She's been studying. Bravo. So this is the part that you see on the wheel of your car. This is
On the outside?
On the outside. This is the valve stem, and this is the
Oh.
part where you put air into it. Okay. Now we're missing the valve stem core that is the seal, but nonetheless, this part will connect to this part inside the wheel of the car. And so what ends up happening is this will sense the pressure as you're driving. And when the air pressure, here's another problem. When your air pressure is low and you don't service them, these things get destroyed.
Oh,
And these
yeah.
can be as little
Because
as,
the rubber rubs up against it?
well, the wheel, as you're driving, these things are right up here. And as you run low on air pressure, this collapses. And so this part of the tire will actually crush the plastic, because this is just plastic.
Right.
This part's steel, this part's plastic.
So this is on the inside of the tube of the tire.
Yeah, technically, yes. These are tubeless tires in today's cars,
Oh,
but
okay.
inside of the tire, inside of the rubber, This is where
so that's why
this
it takes
is.
so long to replace it. You gotta take the
You got to take the wheel off, and then you have to take the tire off, and then you can get to this. Unless, of course, it's already broken and destroyed, and it falls out. But it still stays inside the tire. These are only made of plastic at this point, and while you think, well, this is nothing major, let me tell you, this nothing major part can be a couple $100. So you want to make sure that if one of these lights come on in your car, that you get it aired up really quickly.
Or release some air quickly. If it's too much, right? That's what
I
you
release
said.
too much air as it is.
Well, I cannot argue that.
Shh, that'll be just our secret, though.
Okay, so these can also get broken, like if you hit a curb.
Yeah,
You hit a curb
Yep.
or you're in a car accident, those will commonly have to be replaced.
they will, absolutely. Boy, you've really been studying. I'm really proud of you.
Well, I listened to the guys at the front counter talk about these things. At first, a TPMS sensor was like, blah, 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 blah. I was like, what the heck is that? Blah, 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 gobbledygook, you know?
Do you have lipstick on your finger?
Whatever. Okay, so what else? Anything else we need to know about this light?
No, if it comes on, you won't win a prize if the light comes on and there is no buzzer, but you will destroy a tire and possibly a tire pressure monitor switch. So you want to definitely get that taken care of. And it's really, come by. If your light's on, there's no charge for us to check the air in your tires. There's no charge for us to put air in your tires. There's no charge for us to look at your tires or check the date code to make sure that they're not dry rotting or just do a visual inspection. It's one of the things that we check every single time you bring your car into the auto shop for service.
Sounds like a plan.
I love that.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
The thing stopped working right.
Oh, I thought you were getting ready to leave.
I'm out.
You're going to push the eject button and get me out of here.
Too much air pressure, like a rocket.
And on that note, I'm going to boom out of here. So
Call us at the auto shop.
at 972-578-0588 or go to www.theautoshop.com.
See you next time.